Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So let's just first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. Now we can see here the new created home screen folder on our device screen. If you want to add here more applications, just by the same way hold it and drag it here. We can remove this app just by click here on this folder by click on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. Click here to OK. Now we can see that this folder renamed successfully. We can also move this folder here on the screen or between the screens. By this way, as you can see, that's so simple. And if you want, you can remove all of the applications from this folder just by one click, or if you want to stay, for example, with this folder and you want to remove only one application from the folder, you can just move it here on the home screen. You can do it by this way, or also you can remove the application from the folder. Just hold it and click here to remove icon, but don't worry, you will remove this app only from the folder, but you will stay with this application here into the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.